Some cities feel nice, but in Switzerland, there's one that feels magical. A place where mountains, water, and history hold hands. This isn't Geneva or Zurich. It's Lucerne. Travelers voted it Europe's most magical escape, yet few outside Switzerland seem to know about it. One woman said, "I walked in tired and walked out in love with the world again." Why don't guidebooks talk about it? Why don't people post more? There's something quietly powerful about this part of Switzerland. Picture a calm Swiss lake, a 600-year-old flower-covered bridge, and snow-covered Alps watching quietly from above. If you want more than just a vacation, if you want to feel alive, keep watching. Because Lucerne isn't just a place, it's a feeling. Lucerne looks like a fairy tale, but feels like peace. It's home to Europe's clearest lake, the Chapel Bridge, and a sad lion statue that once made Mark Twain cry. Many who visit this part of Switzerland never post about it. Some beauty is too personal. Mount Pilatus rises above the town, wrapped in clouds and Swiss legends. People say the wind there carries dreams. Some cry at the top, not because they're sad, but because they feel something real. In the city, couples hold hands, shopkeepers give free Swiss chocolate, and time feels slow. Lucerne has some of Europe's happiest people and Switzerland's lowest crime. One man said, "Lucerne made me feel human again." Lucerne isn't for your camera, it's for your heart. Some places change how you think. This one, right in the heart of Switzerland, changes how you feel. So, subscribe now. We share the world's hidden places and secret feelings every week. Save this video. Share it with someone who needs an escape. And now tell us, what's the most beautiful place you've ever felt? Not just seen.